having a nice day and Happy New Year! Bring on 2021 and all the lovely things hopefully it will bring us. So I am here today to talk to you about our VIP club. I'm probably going to keep saying PDF club, but no, VIP club. We've decided to rename the PDF club because we've added a few more things and we also feel like it is a VIP club essentially. And so this year, the VIP club, you can now join, and I'm here to tell you all about it and all the benefits of it. Those of you that have been in it previous years, I'm sure you'll be able to recommend it to others. I know you've all loved having your special Facebook group and also getting early access to everything. So I'll talk about it in a minute. But before I do that, I wanted to talk to you about this dress just briefly, because I know I always used to say what I was wearing in the videos, and then I started to forget to tell you. So I'm wearing my new hack, which I'm absolutely in love with. It's an Edie top hacked into a Georgie dress that is then, getting up on a chair, made into maxi length. Now, I'm going to be talking a lot more about this on sew-alongs and also on Instagram, but I am sick to death of wearing jumpers and jeans, or even blouses and jeans, to be honest. My wardrobe for pretty much the whole of last year, in the kind of working from home vibe, was that. And I was looking at my wardrobe over the Christmas break, and I was like, the thing is, a lot of my clothes that I have that are dresses and skirts and things that aren't sort of jeans, combo type outfits, are too fancy to wear at home or not as comfortable for sitting down in all day. And so I am going to have a look at my wardrobe and start to make up some new things that will work well with what I've got already in there, but also so that I can feel I can wear dresses every day. So tune in, guys, to see me talk about that more, whether it's on the sew-alongs or on our Instagram. I'll be chatting more about all the lovely makes that I've got planned. Bringing you along for the ride as well, guys. I think we should ban the jeans. Anyway, I'm here to talk about the VIP club, as always in Lisa fashion. I've gone off on a tangent, but I want to talk to you about it. And I have actually got my laptop here because I am so worried that I'm going to not get it right, because there are a few tweaks and changes. But basically, the VIP club, you will continue to get early access to all of our PDF pattern releases. And when you sign up for the VIP club, when you sign up for the VIP club, you will also get a voucher code so you can buy your own PDF pattern. So that is included in the price of the VIP club, is a free pattern. Now, our patterns are either £11 or £13. And the VIP club is £10, only £10 for the year. So if you've got a pattern of ours that you know that you want, or maybe you want to save that credit for a future pattern that comes out, you will be able to use that and get a pattern for £10, essentially the cost of your membership. But in addition to this, so not only will you get a discounted pattern, so you've already made your money back and saved yourself some, you also get early access to the releases. So we tell our VIP club a week before the release. You get that pattern a week before everybody else does, and you also get 10% off it. So you can get an added discount there as well. So you find out a week before everyone, you get 10% discount. Also, not only will you get 10% off all of the PDF patterns that come out, but you'll get 10% off all of the printed patterns as well. So this VIP club is not just 10% off the PDF patterns, but also the printed patterns. So if we bring out any printed patterns, you'll also get 10% off those. You get 2 VIP club only sales. So twice a year we have a 24-hour sale day just for the VIP members, and you will get a sale. Usually we do some fabric in there. We also do a discount off all of our patterns, usually around 20%, and you will be the only ones to get that. In addition to this, you will also find out about all the other sales that we're doing before. We won't be able to publish the sale to you guys before everyone else, but we'll be able to let you know it's coming. So we'll be able to say, guys, wink, wink, nudge, nudge, there's a sale, our big January sale, our big summer sale, the sales that we have, it's coming and you guys are getting a heads up. You'll also get access to our secret Facebook group. Now, those of you that were PDF Club members last year, you'll know about this. You basically can get access to a VIP only, we're calling it, rather than PDF this year. So the VIP Club only Facebook group where you can share makes, meet friends, chat about the new pattern before anyone else knows about it. And I pop on there and put up videos every so often just for you guys as well. And of course, we're also going to have newsletters just for you guys. So extra bits and bobs that you'll get that no one else will get. So to recap, in case I've not made it clearer, Poppy is now chasing Coco around the room. Lovely, what a great distraction. So to recap, you sign up, it's £10 to sign up for the year. You can join at any point, but obviously if you join at the beginning of the year, then you get 10% off all the patterns of that year. And we're going to be bringing out 12 patterns, one a month as we did last year. You get a free pattern of your choice, a free PDF pattern of your choice. So that's already, you've saved money in that you've got a pattern for £10 included in the membership price. You also get 10% off all of our PDF pattern releases and our printed pattern releases. You find out about our PDF patterns before anyone else, a week before, and you get your 10% discount for that week. You also will be finding out about sales before everyone else does, and you'll have your very own special 2 VIP Club sales throughout the year. So there'll be 2 of those, usually one around the summertime and one a bit later on in the year. So lots of bonuses there, plus also finding out more stuff from our newsletters as well, and being a member of your own secret Facebook group. Anyway, I hope that was super clear. I will make sure that in the description box below, it's all written out clearly as well, so you can know, and there's a link to it so that you can go ahead and buy a membership. Soon I will be back with a live sew along. In fact, I'm hoping this is going up on the Wednesday when we'll be doing our live Meredith sew along. And I'm going to be back every week doing a sew along with you guys. Looking forward to that. Or maybe Becca will be doing it as well sometimes. Majority of the time it will be me, but sometimes with Becca as well. We are also planning lots of other things over on our Stitch School, guys. So keep tuned in to find out all the exciting things that we're doing this year. But yeah, new pattern is coming up very soon, and we'll be doing a sew along for that as well. Right, before I start telling you all our secrets, I better go. Have lovely days. Bye.